Welcome, amigos, to my day 3 in the Amazon. Out of my 4 days inside of the Amazon, my favorite day, and you will see why here in a little bit. If you are not familiar, Brazilians eat avocado with sugar. The only difference here in the Amazon is that they add one extra ingredient for texture and extra calories, and that is yucca flour. Here, Jefferson's whooping me up a batch right now, and I'm about to try it for my very first time. Valeu. Só um coelho assim? Com a farinha a textura, né?
Sim. Que a gente
Muito
toma
bom.
com café também. Os dois juntos. Café e abacate.
Gostoso. Bom. Muito bom com café. One thing I learned about being here in the Amazon is that if your guide knows about any kind of local event, a ceremony, a birthday party, a school celebration, and you're invited, take that opportunity. It gives you a completely different perspective than just being in nature the entire time. During my visit, it happened to be the last day of school at a local elementary school, so we decided to stop by and check it out, getting a real glimpse of everyday life in the Amazon. De vinho Espírito Santo, né? Que legal. The celebration theme was Crazy Hair Day. The kids were playing musical chairs, laughing, running around, just being kids. They also had a little food station handing out cake and drinks. Gente, por que sua cabelo tá assim? Ah, entendi. Dia de cabelo maluco, né? Ah, massa. Tá bom. Vocês falam inglês? Alguém fala inglês aqui? Não. Eu falo inglês. Good morning. Hello. Eu sou dos Estados Unidos. Hello. Perfeito. Hello. Hello. I thought it would be something special to let them take turns flying my drone, and they absolutely loved it. Watching their reactions was incredible. Deixa eu tirar uma foto da gente.
Amigão.
Chega aqui. Vamos tirar uma foto. Vamos tirar um vídeo, na verdade. Todo mundo aqui. Quem for jogar? Vai chegar mais perto. Todo mundo chega aqui, todo mundo.
Você vai dar o drone pra eles.
Ele tá lá, tá? Cuidado pra qualquer coisa, vai pra área vazia assim. Você pode mudar assim, ó. Você vai pra lá, você vai atrás. Cuidado. Isso é. Isso é oriento, ó.
Isso é para baixar. Isso é para frente aqui. Da frente. Ok, para. Chega atrás, chega atrás.
One kid came up to me and asked me if he could film with my regular camera. So I handed it to him and he had a little fun with it.
Tá filmando você. Quer filmar pra lá?
When he brought it back, I told him, one day you're going to be a better videographer than me. And without missing a beat, he looked at me and said, "Wow, you are so cool." Man, I haven't heard that since I was 18 years old. Then later on, completely out of nowhere, another kid walked up to me, hugged my leg and said, "Thank you." And at that moment, my gringo heart grew 3 times bigger. Full Grinch mode. All jokes aside, moments like this are things I'll cherish. These small, unexpected connections are what make experiences like this so meaningful.
Eu vou fazer um mercadinho daqui.
A cozinheira. Como chama essa?
Jaraqui.
Jaraqui. E essa?
Piranha. Piranha caju.
Caju.
Piranha branca. Esses aí são os mapará.
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 Mapará. Alright guys, we're out here in the Amazon and I am piranha fishing out here. Qual é o nome desse peixe, meu amigo?
Jaraqui.
Jaraqui. We are using jaraqui as bait here and we'll see how long it takes me to get a piranha out here in the Amazon. So first, set your bait down. You gotta let them know you're here, you know? You gotta get their attention. And you just gotta wait until they push the line like they are right now. Yeah, that's a big one. All right. I got it. Perfect, that works for me. Another one. Let's get a couple more.
Então, eu vou mostrar aqui a demonstração da piranha caju. Essa é uma piranha bastante agressiva. Então aqui no Amazonas a gente tem 7 espécies de piranha. Mas essa é uma das mais violentas que tem, mais perigosa. A primeira mais perigosa espécie é a piranha preta, que se ela morder você, ela pode arrancar um dedo. Piranha branca. Essa não é muito agressiva, não tem os dentes menores. Mas essa, em comparação a essa, não é nada.
E ataca ser humano? Piranha?
Sim, no período que está subindo o rio, essas piranhas vermelhas são bastante agressivas. Por conta que elas estão botando seus ovos, elas podem atacar o ser humano.
Mas ataca quando não é período de...
Quando não está, ela só morde se você meter o dedo na boca dela. Ó, outra. Ó, a piranha. Cuidado, melhor eu.
On day 3, we also went camping. Jefferson had everything set up for us: water, hammocks, mosquito incense, cooking supplies. Even the food was already seasoned for us, ready to go. One really cool thing about the Amazon is that there are these pre-built camping structures already here. The first thing you should do is check for structural stability and reinforce it as needed. Other than that, just throw a tarp over it, tie it down, then get your hammocks out and tie those, and you're good to go. Jefferson decided it was time to test me and asked me to start the fire. I told him, my brother, I love camping, but it's been a long time. Still, I give it my best shot. I gathered the branches, dry leaves for kindling, poured alcohol on top, tried to light it, nothing. Jefferson immediately demolished my setup and honestly, my ego, and showed me the proper way. He selected the right wood, cut open the empty water bottle, and poured alcohol inside and used it to create a steady flame long enough for the wood to catch. I thought it was brilliant. Stay tuned for my redemption arc coming on day 4 where I light the morning fire.
Você viu como ele vai ficando só bravo?
É.
Ele vai queimando, vai virando casinha. Vai ficando só bravo.
A madeira é certa, né?
Sim. Então isso é ótimo passar aqui.
If you want a full 4-day camping experience, you could set that up with Luis. In that case, you and your guide will build these structures yourself, fish for most of your food, and go much deeper into the jungle for the time you arrange. While you're here, take a lot of photos. This is a special moment here, camping in the Amazon.
Come on now, mama, don't you hesitate. Grab my hand, well we land. I got the champagne. We can knock it back, get on track, jump on, ride this thing. Double down.